weekly what's new. What's new this week? Picked up a Harbor Freight hammer drill. I'm going to be making a couple of videos with that. I have a 1999 Yamaha, or no, it's a 2000. Yeah, a 2000 Yamaha Big Bear. I'm going to be fixing the carburetor. Probably take the old one out. I might try to figure out how to clean up the new one. So if anybody knows anything about carburetors, you definitely want to watch the video and leave a comment as to how the hell I fix it. What else? I have a couple of tool reviews that I'll be throwing in the queue. And what else? I basically decided I'm throwing the scaffolding wheels in the garbage because whatever. I will be making a couple of videos using the hammer drill and the concrete and stuff I'm doing in the basement. I'm not going to be doing any videos of any construction or anything I do because somebody's going to be like, hey, you like this, you like that, you do it the wrong way. So I'm not dealing with that shit. Plus, it's inside of my own personal space and whatever. I'm doing it my way. So, but I mean, I'm putting a concrete block putting a very big concrete block in for a jack post. It's only some jack posts. And, what do you call it? I might see if one of my if one of my viewers can answer a few questions about concrete because I'm gonna hit them up and send them a message. I know you watch sometimes. What else? What else is new? I'm going to be finishing up this. What do you call it? Little toy hack that I'm doing. I found I've been looking for my glue gun. It's hanging up right over there, right in front of me. Couldn't find it. Yeah. So I'll be gluing that together. I'm going to get the pieces on Monday. And then I'm probably, what do you call it? I'm probably going to make a few videos. I have foundation cracks to deal with. So I'll probably do some crack videos because that's just a foundation crack. I'm not building anything. I'm just putting epoxy in a hole. So about as exciting as watching someone milk a cow, right? I am going to continue working on the, what do you call it? What does it? On the lathe and doing some work over there. I did pop, by the time you see this, I did pop up a boring video of me doing the lathe. I was just like, I wasn't feeling it, edit it, didn't do anything, so I just threw it up as, footage. So, also, if you're my 1108 subscriber, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I also making a video. I started making a sign. I'm not showing you how I made it. All I did is put a drill bit in a router, drew it on a piece of board. I'm basically I think I did a opening scene, like a first scene. I'll just do a little section, show you what I'm doing. That was it, because it's basically 5 hours of using a router. Like, who cares? I'm gonna show the beginning, the middle, and the end. Might be a 5-minute video maximum, but it's a new sign for my store. Basically, I wanted to make one of those old-fashioned where they carve the signs, but I'm like, I don't feel like carving. I found a big piece of furniture with a board that I cut into like a semi-square. Put the word hours, put the hours Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because I'm only open 4 days a week. Wrote it out with pencil. I didn't use any stencils. I didn't, that the words don't look, I mean, I spaced it out, put them in a space. I hand drew it all. I'm not an expert. I didn't feel like buying any stencils. I don't have any stencils. So I drew it as best as I could, and now I'm going with a router and just routing it out. I might do some of that. And that's pretty much it for this week. There's nothing else new. I mean, I'm still, what do you call it? I had a whole lot of bills and stuff, so I didn't really buy any more tools. Not like I need any more tools anyway, but it's always fun to own more tools, right? So, but I did get a cool pair of vice grips. I don't know if I'm going to pop it up this week or not, but I found one extremely rare, odd vice grip that I don't have. I've never seen in my entire life. And I spent a little extra money and blew it on one pair of vice grips. So, probably could have bought 4 pairs of vice grips for that price. But it was cool. It was really cool. So, anyway, if you are still enjoying this channel, please say thank you. Leave a comment. Oh, also, I forget to, I'm slowly getting down to a dwindling amount of videos. I still have a lot of videos up that are still popping up that I've made before. But when it gets to about the last 10 videos, I'm not making a ton of videos anymore. I mean, I'm still making videos, but I'm not like pimping them out. Took a kind of a break. So this summer, I think I'm going to decide I'm probably going to put a tool video out every Tuesday because it's always Tool Tuesday. So some type of tool video, whatever, is going to go every Tuesday. I have that every Tuesday is all set all the way to the middle of August. I'm always buying tools, or I was using stuff, breaking stuff. And I'm basically, after I run out of videos, I'm just going to put up a video. Probably, I might do like a couple other things. I might put up a video on Saturday, try to make it a little longer, and I'll pop a bunch of, if I can, 1 or 2 videos during the week. And I'll just make all kinds of dumb short videos after that. So there won't be as many videos every day popping up. Or I'm just going to pick like the end of this month and just push them all out and basically schedule them further apart. So it'll be one video, next day there's none, one video, next day there's none. Or if I make enough videos, I'll just keep making videos every day. Depends on how I feel. I'm going to try to make the videos a little longer. Like, because the 5-minute videos, they're great, but I don't know. Or I'll make, I don't know, I haven't decided. But at some point, I'm going to have to probably come up with 2 or 3 more videos a week. But I mean, I'm going to have no shortage of videos. I'm always doing something stupid. I have a ton of stuff I want to get done. And if I just keep working on them, it's all good. So anyway, I'll stop talking, which is probably a total surprise. Thanks for watching, and click some buttons. Thank you.